Which camera should I take, Jerry? The EM1 or the EM10? Which camera do you like best? Looks like it's raining, Jerry, so we might have to take the EM1 because it's weatherproof. But the EM10 is easier to carry around, especially when you're sniffing it. You're going to be a good girl? Alright, let's go. Okay, so we've come to Parramatta Park. I think this here is a rose garden. Doesn't look like there's too many roses out. Jerry would like this one. Hey Jerry, you have a little sniff of the roses, eh? Some of the arches here for framing. It's a bit of dynamic range. Very overcast today. I think it's going to rain. Lucky I got my weatherproof EM1. So this is the 12 to 40 millimeter 2.8. There, that's awesome. Good shot. Oh, that guy came out of nowhere. So I'll get down low, take another shot over here. That's good. People making action for me. Let's take a proper one now. Flippy. Jerry, you like the flippy screen? I'm not going to whinge today about the flippy screen, Jerry. Oops, that shutter button's very, very sensitive. Get rid of that histogram. Pisses me off. Can't see anything. 5.6 seems to be the sweet spot for most micro four thirds, I think. I'm not sure. That's what I read anyway. A lot of the other photographers do it at 5.6. I reckon that kid on the bike was better. Yeah, these roses here look alright, or carnations or whatever they are. Alright, I'll drop down to 2.8. God, that's really close. I mean, this is almost like macro. The lens is right near the flower there. I've zoomed all the way back. Rule of thirds, blurry background. I'm thinking I move back, zoom in. Oops, very sensitive that shutter button. If I zoom in, move a bit back, zoom in, I'll get even more bokeh, barocca, or as they say, toner 2.8. There's a bee over here. Let's see what he can do. Oh, you mongrel. Got away. Jerry, let's keep on going. I can smell him too, it's beautiful. So, what's this like as a selfie camera, as a vlog camera? Shit, going downhill. I've got the microphone, is just the onboard microphone, but I've got to stop looking at the mirror. Oh shit! Spiderweb, Jerry, spiderweb! Sorry about that. Go this way, Jerry. Yeah, I got to keep looking at the lens, not the mirror. So it's all right. I don't know what the sound's like. I mean, everyone whinges about the sound, onboard sound mic. I mean, it's only really when it's windy. But this is what the vlogging looks like with the EM1. Jerry, no, this way. And there's a bloody spiderweb. Little park bench. I can imagine in springtime it'd be nice. I don't know why I didn't come here earlier in spring. Let's have a little sit down. Hey Jerry, you have a little sit down? No, you want to keep on sniffing. I like this green moss carpet here. It's almost like carpet. Jerry, don't walk on the carpet. Jerry, you want to be in the shot? Look at this rose. My God. How old is that? Climbing rose. Look at all the thorns. That'd make an interesting shot. Some sort of shot. Hey Jerry, so I'll need a flippy for that. And I've got to go like that. Shoot right up. Bloody dust. Jerry, you want to look? Yes, that's a good girl. You're always looking. Huh? You're always looking, Jerry. Ready? Oh yes, that's a good one, Jerry. You're always a good girl. I need focus eye. I need pet detect. You lead the way, and I'll take some photos wherever you go. Where are you going now? No, not that way. All right. Nice, interesting, gnarly tree up there. Hey Jerry, you want to go do a wee on that tree while I take a photo? It's got the structure, maybe black and white, maybe, I don't know. Post-processing, I don't do the black and white in field. I'll do it usually in post-processing to see if I like it or not. It's probably not the best way to do it. They reckon you should put it on your back of the screen to see what it looks like. There's a web of intricacy there. 5.6 is enough. Can I zoom in? Yeah, the only thing that'll work with this to make it interesting is some sort of dramatic tone or black and white, split toning. Otherwise it's just a bloody tree, if you know what I mean. You've seen one tree. But yeah, you can get creative with patterns, I guess. Hey Jerry, if I go all the way to F16, and then apparently there's a button here for depth of field. There you go. You can tell the depth of field. That's alright, eh? A dedicated button for it. Maybe Jerry's tippy tail. Jerry, you stay there and you do tippy tail. I'll expose for the light more than the darkness and then fix it up later. There's those bloody pterodactyls again. There's a flock of them. Old government house. Well, it looks like it's open, anyone can go in. Let's have a look. $15. Oh, I like that fence. Jerry, do you like that fence? Get closer. I'm not sure. Jerry, where are you going? You run off. The old shoe cleaner. Cleaning the mud off your shoes. Line it up in the middle. We don't want to try and take expose for the sky there. Obviously you've got to press the half shutter button and get focus before you lock the exposure, but it won't bloody focus. One way around it, I guess, is to put the manual focus on, and then when you press the shutter button, that locks the exposure. Or dumbass, you can lock the exposure for the sky and then you can take a photo. Hang on, yeah, that's the better way. What was I thinking? These are lens caps. You can tell it's a pro lens because it's got these little things and it's made of solid It's solid. It's not like the crappy one that I got with the 150mm one. Run, Jerry, run! Run, Jerry. Oh, what's that? Gazebo. Let's go take a look, Jerry. Wait for some people to walk past. Trees. 2 trees, 2 arches. That's alright. Jerry in the photo. The Governor's Bath House. Alright. That's an old cannon. Yeah, just like the original cannon. Olympus is better. It's more portable. This one's bulky. Boom boom. Oh, Jerry, got the bindi. Oh, poor Jerry, got the bindi, Jerry. Alright, Jerry, I'll get the bindi out. Oh, mama. Hey, wait, Jerry, it's not a bindi. Jerry, I can't find anything on your foot. There's nothing there, Jerry. Alright, we'll go home, Jerry. You got a sore foot. She must have trod in something. I couldn't find anything. I mean, it's not really bindi season. That tree's really nice, and with the building in the background. So that's the little short walk that I just did. And where are you? There you are. Bloody spider web on the lens. Alright, so Jerry hurt her foot. You've got a little boo-boo on your foot, Jerry. Huh? You want to go home? Alright, so I better take Jerry home. She had a little scratch on her foot. Looks a bit better. So that's a little short walk around Parramatta Park. It's not too bad. The old government house, I really should have done a bit better with that. Jerry, no. And so anyway, I'll check you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Jerry, we go home now and we put some cream on your foot.
Thank you.